Hey you guys, welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn on your post notifications. As you can tell, I'm rocking a super cute bob. This hair is brought to you by OhMyPretty Hair company. So of course I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize and layer this unit, and a full install tutorial. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Bye.
Lisa, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
In this box, I received a wig cap, edge control brush, and a bonnet. This unit is a Mongolian 14-inch straight hair bob unit. She is 150% density with adjustable straps and combs, and she is 13 by 4 lace frontal unit. So first things first, we're going to get our quick blue powder and 50 volume developer. We're going to mix that up to create a nice thick consistency. Only do 1 cup for each wig. As you can see, I have so much bleach. It's because I'm doing 3 wigs at once. So we're going to get our Got To Be Glue Blast Free spray and spray that hairline back. Be generous with the spray and comb that hairline just so we can avoid over bleaching. We are going to leave this bleach in for over an hour. This unit is thick. Like, Mongolian hair is thick by itself, so even though it's 150% density, it's still gonna give 200% density because Mongolian hair is very thick texture. So definitely leave this on for over an hour and wash it off with shampoo, purple shampoo and purple conditioner so we can tone those knots. So this is the next day. I let it air dry. We're going to part this unit about a ½ inch and hot comb the parting down so we can see how the hairline is going to look on our head. You can also use a towel underneath this wig just so you can see the hairline properly. And this hairline, I wanted to talk to you guys about this hairline. If you leave the bleach on for a very long time, it will make the plucking process a bit easier for you and makes the hairline look very natural. It only took me about like 30 minutes to pluck this unit and it just came out so bomb. Like, I really love the texture of this hair, and then the lace itself, it just is a chef's kiss. So here is the tricky part. We are going to layer this unit. The hair did not come, as you can see in the beginning of the video. I did have to layer the unit. So what we're gonna do is part the hair in the middle, separate the frontal from the tracks. I kind of added a little bit more tracks in the front, but yeah, just make sure we part it in 4 different sections, and we're going to work from the back of the head first. We're going to layer this as our first step. So as you can see, I'm working on one section and I'm parting it vertically. And pay attention, the dome head is at a slant. It is looking down. So imagine your client looking downwards and then raise the hair upwards like 90 degrees. And then we're going to cut like 2 inches off. I'm gonna show you right here. I'm cutting like roughly 2 inches off. I will have to cut it some more, but yeah, don't be afraid to cut a lot off. So I basically, once we cut that first part, we're just gonna match the rest of the hair to that shortest piece and make sure we are angling the dome head and then raising it to the top. And then I basically match the other side to the side that we already cut. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense, but visually you can see it. I'm just basically matching everything up together when I raise it up in the air. And once we finish with that, you'll see that the top piece is shorter than the bottom piece, and then we are going to cut the bob shorter. So I cut maybe 1 inch away from that dome head. So we're just cutting a lot off, chopping it off so it turned that 14 inch into maybe like a 12, 10 inch. But I highly recommend you getting like a long bob, just so you can have room to customize it. So we're gonna do that first step again because we did cut it short, and so now it's not as layered, and I want the very edgy layered look. So we're gonna do that first step all over again, and we're going to cut 1 inch off this time. I'm not showing you it, I'm sorry you guys, but I promise you I cut 1 inch off, and now you can see the top is longer or shorter than the bottom. And then now we're working on our front part. The front part is going to be the longest, so this is going to be a reverse layered look. We're going to part the bangs, so part like maybe a triangle. And then we're working on each side, and see how the dome head is slanted on its side. So imagine the client head is turning on its side, and then I'm cutting 2 inches off toward me, and you'll see like I don't know, this part is kind of like hard to explain, but I tilt the head and then raise it up in the air, and then you'll see that there's a long piece, and then it's like diagonal to the longest piece, the shortest piece diagonal to the longest piece. And then once we trim that, we're going to match the rest of the bob up. So it seems like it doesn't make sense, but I promise you it does. Like I took a class on it. And so now we are working on our bangs, and we're going to match that first step, you know, the first step where I cut the shortest piece in the back. We're gonna match that short piece from the nape of the head and match it to the bangs, but comb it slant. So see how I'm slanting the bangs back and then matching up to the shortest piece that we cut in the first step. That's what we do, and then match all the bangs from all the way to the side, and it's gonna create the front to be the longest. And then yeah. And then here we're gonna take some spray. I'll link this below because this is so bomb, especially for like blowouts. I forgot the name of it, but I'll have it linked down below. It's really good for blowouts, so if you want that volume. And then now I'm gonna take my 2-inch curling barrel, and we're going to just curl that up. The pieces were short in the back, so I couldn't pin curl it in the back, but once the pieces towards the front are longer, I start to pin curl it. Make sure we add extra hairspray and curl upwards and away from the face, just so you can get that extra volume. And see how I'm pin curling the front of the hair? So that's basically it. So now it's time to moisturize our hair and prep our hair to install this unit. I'm taking my Eben 24-hour oil, it's so bomb, and then finishing my edges off with the Shine and Jam gel. I love this because it's very conditioning on top of me slicking my hair back. And then just add our wig cap and finish it off with our Wonder Eben spray in the red can. You can do the black or red, whatever, you know, floats your boat. And then once it's dry, we're going to add our Ruby Kiss concealer on our wig cap and the wig itself, just so it can blend a lot better. And then we're just gonna apply our wig. I have another song for you guys, so I'm gonna stop talking and let you jam out to this song that I found on Epidemic Sound.
do. Come on, baby. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place you've never been. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I would love to take you to a place you've never been. What is troubling your mind? Babe, why can't you just tell me? I just wanna be your bride, wanna be. I wanna give our love wings. You're not letting me, yeah, get through to you. Yeah, if you let your guard down, baby, this is what I'll do. I'll do. Love you, I will love you, I will love you like a queen. I'm willing to take you to a place.
I am obsessed with this hairstyle. I didn't know a bob can look so good on me. This is like the ultimate summer look. You can flip it on each side and also in the middle. Is very versatile and definitely a go-to wig unit that I'll probably be rocking all summer. But yeah, this is basically it, and look at that volume, girl. I'm obsessed. Thank you so much, Oh My Pretty Hair Company, for letting me try out this bomb unit. Don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.